SIPs help in overcoming behavioral biases? In this video, we will learn how systematic investment plans or SIPs can help you overcome common behavioral biases and make better financial decisions. We will explore how emotional tendencies affect your investments and how SIPs can guide you towards more disciplined investing. Let's get started. Behavioral biases are mental shortcuts that can lead us to making irrational decisions. These biases are driven more by emotions than logical thinking and can cause investors to make poor choices. Let's look at some common behavioral biases that investors often face. First, loss aversion. We tend to feel the pain of losses more than the joy of gains. This bias makes us overly cautious, causing us to sell investments during market downturns to avoid losses. Second, herd mentality. This is when we follow the crowd, even if it's not the best decision. If everyone is investing in a trending stock, you might join in even without understanding why. Third, overconfidence. Many investors believe that they know more than they actually do. This can lead to underestimating risks or making decisions based on incomplete information. Fourth, recency bias. This happens when we place too much importance on recent events. If the market has been rising lately, we might assume it will continue, ignoring the risks of a downturn. Fifth, anchoring. This is when we base our expectations on outdated information. For example, you might hold on to a stock because it was once valued highly, even if it no longer reflects its true worth. So how do SIPs help you overcome these biases? SIPs provide a structured, disciplined approach to investing. Here's how they work. First, regular and disciplined investing. With SIPs, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, like daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. This automatic investment helps remove emotions from the decision-making process, whether the market is up or down. Second, rupee cost averaging. SIPs use a strategy called the rupee cost averaging. This means you buy more units when prices are low and fewer units when prices are high. It reduces the impact of market fluctuations and helps you avoid impulsive decisions based on short-term price changes. Third, reducing loss aversion. By committing to a long-term plan, SIPs shift the focus from short-term market swings to long-term growth. This reduces the fear of immediate losses and encourages a patient, goal-oriented approach. Fourth, avoiding herd mentality. With SIPs, you stick to your own investment plan rather than following the crowd. This helps you stay focused on your financial goals, not the latest market hype. Fifth, countering overconfidence and anchoring. SIPs promote consistent contributions, allowing you to adjust your investment strategy based on actual performance, not emotional impulses or outdated information. In summary, SIPs are a powerful tool to overcoming behavioral biases that can lead to poor investment decisions. By promoting regular, disciplined investing, SIPs help you stay focused on your long-term financial goals, managing emotions, and making suitable choices. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more guidance on smarter investing. See you in the next video. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.